Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking in the sermon text and the immediate action. Choose a passage small enough to handle well. Read it in 3 translations, mark repeated words and questions, and jot the central truth. Once done, pray specifically for understanding and the congregation's good. Make sure to define one practical application now. This keeps your study focused. You are starting with both theological clarity and pastoral intent, so every later step serves that core idea. You now move into detailed exegesis and shape the message. Work verse by verse, word studies, grammar, cultural background, and how the passage fits the book. From that work, extract one big idea and craft 2-3 supporting points that prove the truth. Once done, assign scripture evidence, an illustration, and a practical application to each point. Make sure to write clear transitions and time each section so the sermon breathes and stays within the allotted slot. You finish by rehearsing and refining delivery. Practice aloud until cadence and pauses feel natural. Rehearse the opening and the call to action several times. Once done, include one vulnerable illustration that ties to the application and plan a concise invitation or takeaway. Make sure to record a rehearsal, get feedback from a trusted listener, and adjust content or tone. If people disengage, troubleshoot by shortening points, increasing clarity, or varying delivery, then retest with another rehearsal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.